So we have an advanced level quiz on squares and square roots. Let's look at the question set. These are the questions, and we have some more questions here. So now let's look at the solution for these questions. The first question is, we need to find the least perfect square which is divisible by 21, 36 and 66. So let's see how will we do that. Now we have to find out a number which is divisible by the given three numbers. So we take the LCM of these numbers, which comes out to be 2772. Now we'll factorize this LCM, which is 2772, and we get it as a product of prime factors: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Now this clearly is not a perfect square because we can pair these two. But we don't have the pairing of 7 and 11. So what do we do about it? Now we need to multiply this with 7 and 11 to get a perfect square which is divisible by 21, 36 and 66. So the least perfect square divisible by these three numbers is 213444, which is nothing but 2772, which was the LCM of the given numbers, multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11. Let's now look at the second question. We are provided that 1 plus x by 169 whole square root is equal to 1 by 3, which is a mixed fraction, and we need to find out the value of x. So 1 by 13, which is a mixed fraction, can be written as 1 plus 1 by 13. Now we square both the sides and we get 1 plus x by 169 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 169 plus 2 by 13. Or 2 by 13 could be written as 26 by 169. And of course we can cancel out this 1 on the left hand side with the 1 on the right hand side. So we get x by 169 is equal to 27 by 169, which gives us x equal to 27. Let's now look at the third question. We need to find the least integer that must be added to the product of 9798 and 9792 to make it a perfect square. So this clearly 9798 multiplied by 9792 clearly is not a perfect square. Now what do we add to it? What is the least integer that we add to it to make it a perfect square? We rewrite 9798 as 9792 plus 6. And now if we open this bracket, we get 9792 square plus 6 into 9792. Now this can be written as 9792 square plus 2 into 3, which is 6, written as 2 into 3 multiplied by 9792. Now for this to be a perfect square, now we have this term a square plus 2ab. Now for this to be a perfect square, we need to add a b square to it, because then it will become a plus b whole square. Now we need to find out what is this b first of all, and then we know what is to be added, which is b square. So if we see this, a square is 9792 square, and then 2 multiplied by a, which is 9792, and then b, which is 3. So that means if we add 3 square to it, we get a perfect square. So we get the minimum number, the least integer that we need to add to it is 9 to make this a perfect square. Let's now look at the fourth question. We need to find out the value of this expression. Now the first thing to understand here is that when we have to evaluate such a thing, we start solving the square roots from the innermost to the outermost. So when we start with resolving 225 square root first, we get this expression as 10 square root of 10 plus square root of 25 plus square root of 108 plus square root of 154 plus now 225 square root has been replaced with 15 here. And now if we add these two, 154 plus 15, we get 169. And again, moving from innermost to outermost, we first resolve this square root of 169, which is 13. So we get this as the final expression. Now 108 plus 13 is added and we get 121 here. Again, resolving this square root, internalmost square root, which is 121 square root first, which is nothing but 11, we get this. And now 25 plus 11 is 36, and we replace the value of square root of 36, which is 6, and we get square root of 16, which is nothing but 4. So that is this whole expression is equal to 4. Let's look at the fifth question. We have been given this information that 4 root 5 plus square root of 125 is equal to 20.12. We need to find the value of the expression square root of 720 plus 6 root 5 based on the information that has been provided to us. So we first simplify this given expression, which is 4 root 5 plus root 125 is equal to 20.12. So we make it 125 can be written as 25 cross 5. So, and 25 square root is 5. So we get 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5 equal to 20.12, which is nothing but 9 root 5 equal to 20.12. Now we take this given expression and start evaluating it. So this is 720 square root plus 6 root 5. Now 720 can be written as 144 into 5. So now we get 144 into 5 square root plus 6 root 5. So 122 root is 12. So we get 12 root 5 plus 6 root 5. That is nothing but 18 root 5. Now we know that 18 root 5 is just double of the given value, which was 9 root 5, and that is 20.12 multiplied by 2, so that we get as 40.24. Now let's look at the last question of the advanced level. We're given this value of a, which is 0.23, and we need to find out the value of 4a square plus 4a plus 1 whole square root plus 3a. Now this expression 4a square plus 4a plus 1 can be written as 2a plus 1 whole square and then square root of this thing plus 3a, which is nothing but, if we simplify this, 2a plus 1 whole square and then square root becomes nothing but 2a plus 1 plus 3a. So that is 5a plus 1, and we know that a is equal to 0.23. So 1 plus 5 into 0.23, which is 1 plus 1.15, which is 2.15. This is the answer. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.